Thanksgiving. So I thought I would do some whipped potatoes, and this is red potatoes. We're not going to peel them. We're just going to cook them. We're going to quarter them, cook them. I'm going to mash about 3 cloves of garlic and boil it together. And then I'll show you what we're going to do next. Okay, we're just going to quarter these potatoes and put them in some boiling water. This is probably about 3 pounds of potatoes. Yeah, I've got my potatoes quartered. I've got them in a big stock pot. And now I'm going to just crush like 3 cloves of garlic and put in there with it. And then we'll put the water in the pot maybe 2 inches above the potatoes themselves. So, okay, put that in there. All right, and we will put some water in there, about 2 inches above the potatoes. Okay, that looks good. All right, we'll be back in a minute. After we get those done, they'll be fork potatoes. I brought these to a boil and then put them on simmer for about 25 minutes until they were fork tender. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mash them up a little bit. Get them where I can mix them. And now I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And also, this is a teaspoon of kosher salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of coarse black pepper. Sprinkle all that in there. And this is a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Now for those who are watching calories, if you don't want to use the cream, you can use milk, but this is going to make it really rich. But we're not counting calories at Thanksgiving, are we? Nah. Okay, and also I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley, fresh parsley in it. And this kind of gives it a cool look. And we'll just mix it up some. And if you need to add a little more cream, that's good. I think I will. Those are looking really good. And the red peelings and the potatoes and the green look so good. All right. Let's do a little taste test of this. Oh, you can taste the garlic. So good. Okay, cameraman, I'll give you some. Here you go. Is that a winner?
Good.
All right, we're gonna have this with our turkey.
I was gonna say
we're
it's
gonna
good.
have some cranberry sauce and some asparagus, wrapped bacon, some ciabatta rolls. It's gonna be great. I hope all of you have a very blessed and happy Thanksgiving, and hope you enjoy all your blessings and thankful for your families. And we love y'all. Go Tigers!
I want more.